must have heard about the keto diet because it is a very popular one for weight loss, especially because it helps burn fat reserves and also provides high brain clarity. So is it a fad? What does research actually say about the keto diet? My name is Rashmi Pacha. I'm a health coach and the founder of iNari, a women's health platform, and today I'm going to bring you research on keto. I'm going to read out some of this stuff because it's a little technical. So recent studies have shown that it does not just help you lose weight, but also helps build immunity and fight viruses. Now, at Yale University, two trainees and a lead scientist actually worked on this experiment on mice. What they did was they fed mice infected with the influenza virus a high-fat, low-carb diet or a keto diet, which resulted in a higher survival rate than compared to those that they fed a normal high-carb diet. What they found was that the diet triggered release of immune system cells that produce mucus in the cell linings of the lung, and therefore what it managed to do was it trapped the virus before it became worse. So the keto diet actually triggered the release of these gamma delta T cells, which are immune system cells that produce mucus in the cell linings of the lung, while the high-carb diet obviously did not do that. Researchers have now determined that it may be an effective way to tame the flu. Like I said, it was found to activate a subset of T cells in the lungs which were previously not associated with the immune system's response to influenza, or to influenza enhancing mucus production from airway cells that can effectively trap the virus. A little bit technical, I know, but it's useful. So what they found was that the immune system activators called inflammasomes can cause harmful immune system responses in their host. Now, the ketogenic diet blocked formation of these inflammasomes. Professors of immunobiology and molecular, cellular and developmental biology and an investigator of the Howard Hughes Medical Institute said that the findings were totally unexpected, even though the diet has for a long time been used for treatment of epilepsy and other brain-related diseases. I'm personally a huge fan of keto, but on our platform we don't advocate dirty keto or a keto diet which is full of bad fats, but what we actually advocate is a keto-biotic diet that includes plenty of fermented foods and prebiotic and probiotic foods to support the gut microbiome. You have to make a choice for what is right for you or not, but science shows that keto is good for your body. Now, here's the rider. Women need to eat carbs on certain days of the month. Please remember this. Therefore, the keto-biotic diet has to be aligned to your cycle. So you have to cycle align keto. When you do this, you can lose weight and inches without any hormonal imbalance. Watch out for the series of videos on the iNari platform where we teach you how to practice this effectively and safely. All of April we are going to be talking about keto and how and when you can do it. And of course, if you have any questions, please post them in the comments, or you can DM us or email us at hello@inari.org, and we'll get back to you soon. Or if required, we'll even make a video which will clarify those doubts. That's all for now. Stay happy, stay healthy.